Well, it's time for your health check here. If you sleep next to someone who snores, you've likely suffered some sleepless nights yourself, but that noise could actually be a sign of something more serious.
Most recently, we've learned that people who sleep don't get at least 7 hours of sleep per night, and this includes people with sleep apnea who have a lot of sleep disruptions, are at higher risk to develop dementia over the course of their lifetime when they get older.
Besides snoring, someone with sleep apnea may frequently wake up during the night or feel like they didn't get a solid night's sleep. They can also cause daytime sleepiness, even more severe. If you notice a person's breathing stops and restarts when they're sleeping, this can actually lead to chronic diseases affecting the heart, brain, and metabolism. If you or someone you know has any of these symptoms, please speak to a doctor.